Another common task in programming is to filter values based on some condition. Let's learn how to filter arrays using the filter method. Continuing with our shopping list example, let's suppose we have the following list. Grocery list equals apples, bananas, oatmeal, and avocado. We decided that this week we are only going to eat foods that start with the letter A. Let's try to figure out what foods we can eat using the filter method. A foods equals grocery list, filter, item, where item starts with A. And A foods will be apples and avocado. The filter method returns a new array without modifying the contents of grocery list. The new array only includes elements that pass the provided condition. In this example, the condition is that the item must start with the letter A. The expression item, arrow, item starts with A is called an arrow function, where item is an array element followed by arrow, then followed by the condition. If the condition is true, the item will be a part of the new array, and if the condition is false, this item will be skipped. Next week, we decided that we only want to eat foods that contain exactly 6 letters. So 6-letter foods equals grocery list, filter, item, where item length equals 6. And 6-letter foods will be apples. Our grocery list works great, but we keep forgetting how many items of each category we were supposed to buy. So let's expand our shopping list to include the count of items by replacing each element with an object that has 2 properties, name and quantity, like this. Now we want to form 2 lists based on wherever the quantity is an even or odd number. Let even equals shopping list, filter, item, where item quantity modulo 2 equals 0. So if quantity is even, modulo 2 will be 0. And even will be apples and avocado. Let odd shopping list, filter, item, where item quantity modulo 2 equals 1. So if quantity is odd, modulo 2 will be 1. And odd has banana and oatmeal. Next, we want to figure out if we need to take a big or small shopping bag with us. Let's look at how many items we need to buy in large quantities, like more than 5. Let large quantity equals shopping list, filter, item, where item quantity is larger than 5. And we need to buy a lot of apples. Let's practice what we have learned. Here is an exercise for you. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Here is an example solution. First, let's filter people who are 21 or older. Can drink equals people, filter, person, where person age is larger than or equal 21. Now we can check how many drinks we need to buy like this. Number of drinks equals can drink length, and we need to buy 3 drinks. Finally, let's find people with names longer than 4 letters like this. Long names equals people filter person, where person name length is larger than 4, and long names will be Alice.